today I will not explain a single thing, just open Chrome. Then go to Pinocchio official website and download Pinocchio from there. So first of all, go to Pinocchio and click the download button. And after clicking the download button, you will see this page where you will go to the download section and click on Windows or whatever your OS is. So I will just click Windows and I'll download it for Windows. I have already installed, so go to Discover and here you will find Comfy UI. So click and write down Comfy UI and you'll have to download it personally. So before we go to download the Comfy UI, you have to understand that it is a very complicated UI. So now click on the bunny girl with a cat here, just click it and download. It is very self-explanatory and Pinocchio is very easy to use. So after it will clone the Git to your computer, click download. After you download it, it will just ramp up some files. It is very fast. Don't worry about it too much. You will get an interface like this. Now you have to click the install button. It will just install all the necessary things you have to just to run this UI. So it is also very self-explanatory and the models and etc. will be downloaded when you click the start button. Now when it is done with the downloading, I fast forwarded it a bit. I just made this video in 5 minutes so that you can do it very fast without watching multiple tutorials on them, how to get things running and shit. So after that, just click the start button. After click the start button, you will get a web address where you can use the UI. You can use it on Pinocchio also, but I do not recommend it. After you click the start button, you will get a web address here with a port number at the end. So click on that web address and it will take you to the web UI. Just click on that. Okay, here is the web UI. You'll get something like this. Just clear it out and we'll start from the first add the checkpoint model loader. So for that we'll right click and get the checkpoint model loader, and after that you will have to connect every pointers to something so that you will get a complex working system. I will use LoRa, so I will get in LoRa also so that I can download it I can use it very easily. So I just got the LoRa and I will connect the LoRa with the checkpoint. Then I will connect the LoRa with the pawns and the model will go from the LoRa. We'll get the VAE later and it is very important to get the VAE, otherwise you do not decode. So now I have done it. I will just add the text encode. Just follow me and you will be done. It is for the positive prompt. I didn't even mention it yet, and it is for the negative prompt. Now, conditioning will need a positive terminal, a sampler, and etc. So for that, we'll get the model here and add a K-sampler. K-sampler will just use to sample, and it will just use all the previous conditions we have used. So we'll get the compiler to positive and the negative compile to negative, and latent image will help us resize our image, set the aspect ratio and all. It is also very important. You can't miss this. So we got the latent image and this side dots are all filled. Now get here and just add the VAE decode. It is for decoding the VAE, and you will have to add the VAE pointer to your main checkpoint VAE because it already has a VAE, very usable one, so you can use it here and you do not have to worry about it. Just connect the VAE there and you will be done. Now you have to save image prompt and you'll get the save image and you're pretty much ready to go. Now, when you click Quick Prompt on the right hand corner, you will be done. Now, I will set the ratio here, and I am using a LoRa called, midjourney mimic. It is also a nice one. Now you will enter the positive prompt on the positive terminal, and you can just cue the prompt and it will be done. I just previously generated one, but it is not something. I will use the later one with LoRa. And that will be the final preview. Let's see what happens. Well, I got the image. It is obviously, we can see it has some midjourney Nijiya style, so it is influenced by midjourney, and we can see the output on the Pinocchio and config it. Thank you.